Coming to you live today from Bologna, Italy. What I'm going to tell you about is how to actually triple your Amazon FBA revenue this year and obviously make more money. So I know that when you saw this title, a lot of you guys are just going to expect to actually get like the exact plan, an exact strategy, like some crazy cutting edge strategy to actually do it. The truth is that you are 100% wrong. This is not the way how you are going to do it. The first thing that you should do, actually, and this is pretty much the only thing, is that you should actually set the goal, okay, of what your revenue is going to be. Then reverse engineer how you are going to get there, right? And it's as simple as that. So I know that you're going to see this video, you're going to expect me to tell you, hey, you should source this way, you should do this, you should do that. It's really quite easy, okay? The only thing that you need to do, just set your goal, okay? If your goal is 3 million revenue, or let's just take profit. Your goal is $100,000 profit this year on Amazon. What you should do is just set that as a goal, write it down on your wall if you need to, so you see it every single day, okay? That's the first thing that you're going to need to do. And then what you are going to need to do is actually reverse engineer that, okay? If I want that much profit with my current business, like with my current numbers, how much revenue do I need? If I want that much revenue, how much inventory spending do I need to do, okay? If I want to do that much inventory spending, do I have enough cash? If you don't, you just need to get more capital. That's literally it, and that's it. And if you do, maybe what you're lacking on is just the consistency of sourcing. It's as simple as that. There's nothing else. That's literally how you're going to do it. And if you don't have enough leads, then you hire a team that is going to bring you new leads, okay? 100% you are in one of these 2 or 3 possible situations. Like there's nothing else, it's just that, okay? So, hopefully that was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.